Hey guys, welcome to the workshop. In today's quick tip, I wanted to share with you something really quick. It's kind of an easy hack when you're going to refinish something and you're going to be moving around in a Lazy Susan kit, so stick around. So I have refinished this and I need to put on some water-based polyurethane basically, and so I'm going to be moving this thing around. So a really quick hack is that you buy one of these things for super duper cheap. This is a Lazy Susan kind of thing that you can do in your kitchen. I got this thing for $5 at a surplus store. Put that on the table, get a scrap block of wood just to raise you up a little bit, and then set this right on the center. And then you got yourself a movable space that you can do your finish, move it around, do some more, move it around, do some more. Super simple hack. Okay, so I hope that really helps you out. It's super simple, and if you don't know where to go to get one of those, I'm put a link in the description for you to go to Amazon and buy one of them. Super cheap. So anyways, hope that helped you out when you're finishing for your next project. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel because you'll be able to get notified of every single tip video that I put out and projects and some DIY stuff. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time right here in the workshop. Okay, glasses back on.